ICL Boulby's mock fire evacuation on the 15th of April, 2025. A contractor van has collided into the reagent building due to the driver suffering a heart attack behind the wheel. This has caused a fire inside the building. The main cause for concern was the driver, who sustained several injuries, and the mechanical operator inside the building, who has been overwhelmed with smoke and collapsed.
Right, we have BH refrigeration van has struck the side of the reagents building. The registration is MT07XEY. The reagents building is on fire, and the person in the driver's seat has collapsed and is very motionless. Can you activate SOP 53B and evacuate the plant surface area building?
At this moment in time, we are unaware the mechanical operator is missing.
Yeah, okay. Got that.
The surface site personnel react to the alarm and make their way to the assembly points. The surface incident control now takes over. The responsible shift member approaches the fire appliances and escorts them to the incident area, where the shift manager briefs the officer on the details of the accident. The officer then takes over control and communicates with the shift manager throughout. It is established that the mechanical operator is missing within the building with no communications for the last 15 minutes. The fire officer assumes unconscious and plans to enter with breathing apparatus to search the building. The fire officer delegates two teams, one team to extract the casualty from the vehicle and the other search the building. The site medic is now in attendance to assist the fire brigade. Mechanical operator has now been located and extracted safely. Casualty is extracted from vehicle and taken to the ambulance. Ambulance preparing to escort to hospital. Exercise completed. Fire brigade, shift manager and site medic are conducting a debrief. A successful surface-wide mock exercise in collaboration with Cleveland Fire Brigade. Mock emergencies are processed to help highlight areas where improvement and development can be made. Overall, the mock was a great learning event using the emergency scheme. Well done to all involved who helped execute the event. Thanks to Cleveland Fire Brigade for their participation and professionalism.